Hello, Pinktown shoppers. Today I'm going to be showing you some of our newest arrivals. First thing I'm going to show you are our new pearl bibs. They are a small bib style. We have them in 4 different colors. We have the violet and gold, we have hematite and gold, the purple and gold, and then the white and the silver. Each set comes with a double ball pearl drop earring that matches the color of the pearl, and then these come with the gold to match the gold, and this one comes with silver. Today I am wearing one of our new arrivals as well. It is a 4-piece set. It is a silver layered wire necklace, bracelet, and then the ring, and then the earrings as well. So you get all 4. They're all silver. We also are featuring some of our bracelets. We have a silver metal cuff. We also have a 9-piece bangle boho set. And then we also have in gold and in silver. These are 8-piece bangle sets. This one has clear rhinestones and etching on it as well. And then in addition to some of our newest arrivals, we have 2 earrings. They are gold and silver. They're double ball tassel earrings. So you don't miss out on our newest arrivals, please check your email. Every day I put together a newsletter that we send out. It shows you all of our newest items, any of our restock, and any of our featured items. Also continue to check our website where we also post our newsletter along with our celebrity fashion trends and our lookbook.